Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting motorcycles in the world, the 2025 Arch KRGT-1. This high-performance machine is the brainchild of Arch Motorcycle, co-founded by Hollywood actor Keanu Reeves and custom bike builder Gard Hollinger. If you love power, style, and exclusivity, this motorcycle is definitely something to look out for. The 2025 Arch KRGT-1 is an evolution of its predecessor, the 2024 model, with refined engineering, cutting-edge technology, and handcrafted precision. This bike is designed for riders who crave a unique, high-end riding experience, combining American V-Twin performance with a custom-built aesthetic. At the heart of the KRGT-1 is a powerful 124C, 2032cc S&S V-Twin engine, delivering a thrilling amount of torque and horsepower. While exact performance figures haven't been officially disclosed, previous models produced around 121 horsepower and 121 pound-feet of torque, so the 2025 version is expected to offer similar or slightly improved performance. This engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, ensuring a smooth yet powerful ride. The bike's deep, rumbling exhaust note is unmistakable, giving it a raw, aggressive presence on the road. One of the standout features of the 2025 Arch KRGT-1 is its chassis. The motorcycle features a CNC machined aluminum frame combined with a steel backbone, offering both strength and flexibility. This design provides an excellent balance between rigidity and comfort, making it a fantastic ride for both high-speed highway cruising and twisty backroad adventures. The suspension system is fully adjustable, with Öhlins FGRT forks in the front and a custom Öhlins monoshock in the rear. This setup ensures a plush yet responsive ride, giving riders the ability to fine-tune their bike's handling to match their riding style. Whether you're carving corners or taking a long-distance journey, the suspension delivers superior comfort and control. Braking is another area where the KRGT-1 excels. It comes equipped with Brembo braking components, featuring dual-disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear. These high-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring safety and confidence even at high speeds. In terms of design, the 2025 Arch KRGT-1 retains the signature aggressive yet elegant styling that Arch is known for. The handcrafted bodywork, featuring carbon fiber and aluminum components, gives the bike a premium and futuristic look. The fuel tank, which is meticulously crafted from billet aluminum, seamlessly integrates into the bike's overall aesthetic, making it not just a machine but a work of art. Technology plays a big role in the 2025 KRGT-1, offering modern features while maintaining a raw and mechanical feel. The bike is equipped with a full-color digital display, providing vital information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and more. LED lighting enhances visibility and adds to the sleek, high-tech appearance. Riders can also expect improved electronic rider aids, such as traction control, ride modes, and ABS, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. One of the most exciting aspects of owning an Arch KRGT-1 is the customization process. Unlike mass-produced motorcycles, each KRGT-1 is tailored to the rider's preferences. Customers work closely with the Arch team to select custom finishes, colors, and even ergonomic adjustments to suit their riding posture. This means that no two KRGT-1 motorcycles are exactly alike, adding to the exclusivity and personalized experience of owning one. The 2025 model builds on the strengths of the 2024 KRGT-1, with subtle but meaningful upgrades in performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates high-end craftsmanship, this motorcycle is a masterpiece that stands out in the world of premium motorcycles. Of course, such a unique and handcrafted machine comes with a price. The Arch KRGT-1 is a luxury motorcycle, with a price tag rumored to be above $85,000, depending on the customization options chosen. While that may seem steep, it reflects the level of detail, engineering, and exclusivity that goes into every single bike. If you're looking for a motorcycle that blends power, luxury, and artistry into one incredible package, the 2025 Arch KRGT-1 is a dream come true. From its roaring V-twin engine to its meticulously crafted bodywork, this bike is an experience unlike any other. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Arch KRGT-1. Would you love to own one, or do you think there's another motorcycle that competes with it in terms of exclusivity and performance? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.